In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Offset Path feature in Adobe Illustrator. Offset Path is one of the most powerful tools for creating outlines, borders, layered shapes, sticker effects, and even custom typography designs. Whether you're designing logos, badges, icons, or print graphics, this tool can save you a huge amount of time and give you precise control over spacing and shape expansion. Make sure to watch until the end so you understand the difference between positive and negative offsets and how the joint settings affect your final result. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and select the shape or path you want to offset. This can be any vector object, a simple rectangle, a circle, a custom shape, or even outlined text. Make sure the object is selected using the selection tool. You'll know it's selected when you see the anchor points and bounding box around it. Next, go up to the top menu and click on Object. From the drop-down menu, hover over Path, and then choose Offset Path. As soon as you click it, a new dialog box will appear. This is where all the magic happens. The first setting you'll see is Offset. This controls how far the new path will be created from the original shape. If you enter a positive value, the new path will be created outside the original shape, expanding outward. This is perfect for creating borders, outlines, or layered design effects. If you enter a negative value, the new path will be created inside the original shape, shrinking inward. This is great for creating inset lines or internal design details. Try entering a small value like 10 pixels as a positive number and notice how the shape expands outward evenly on all sides. Then test a negative value like negative 10 pixels and see how it moves inward instead. Below the offset field, you'll see the joins option. This determines how the corners of your offset path will look. There are three choices: miter, round, and bevel. Miter keeps sharp pointed corners, which works well for geometric designs. Round creates smooth rounded corners, which is ideal for softer or more organic styles. Bevel cuts the corner off at a flat angle, creating a clipped edge effect. Depending on your design, switching between these options can dramatically change the appearance of your result. If you choose miter, you'll also see a setting called miter limit. This controls how sharp the corners can be before Illustrator automatically flattens them. If your corners look too extended or spiky, reducing the miter limit can help smooth them out. In most cases, the default setting works fine, but it's good to know how it affects sharp angles. Before applying the effect, make sure to check the preview box. This is extremely important because it allows you to see the changes in real time before committing. Turn preview on and off to compare the difference and fine-tune your offset value and join style until it looks exactly how you want. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. Illustrator will instantly create a new path offset from the original shape. You can now move it, change its color, add a stroke, or use it as part of a larger design. And that's how easy it is to use Offset Path in Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.